Hello, this is your Roseville Neck and Back Pain Relief Chiropractor, Dr. Eric Lund. Lower back chiropractic adjustments, how does it work? Low back pain is such a common problem that if you haven't suffered from it yet, you probably will eventually. Here are a few facts to consider. Low back pain affects men and women equally. It is most common between the ages of 30 and 50. Sedentary or non-active lifestyles contribute a lot to the cause of low back pain, and too much or too little exercise can result in low back pain. So let's next look at how an adjustment works to help relieve lower back pain. So different things occur physiologically during a spinal adjustment or manipulation. We know that the mechanical receptors located in muscles, muscle tendons, ligaments, and joint capsules are stimulated, and this results in muscle relaxation. So there's a reduced spasm or tightness following spinal manipulation. There's also increased measurable range of motion and a decrease in pain. One study also reported that inflammatory markers, so blood tests of CRP and interleukin 6, measured in the blood, that it normalized after a series of 9 chiropractic low back manipulations. So not only does spinal adjustments give immediate improvements in pain, flexibility, and muscle relaxation, they also help to reduce inflammation, and this is a very important factor in providing relief. So let's review what manipulation does for your lower back pain. There's pain reduction, there's improved flexibility, so now you can put your socks on with less pain and strain. There's improvement in physical function and ability to perform activities of daily living, like sitting more comfortably, getting in and out of your car, and bending over to, say, feed the dog or cat. There's improved sleep quality, and the fifth thing is that there's faster healing time by actually reducing the inflammatory markers in the blood. So if you have low back pain, please don't delay. Make an appointment with your doctor of chiropractic today. This has been your Roseville Neck and Back Pain Relief Chiropractor, Dr. Eric Lund. Thanks for watching.